Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P9 Lite Mini, and today I will show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me is just going to be the home screen. And from there you want to hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. You'll get this animation and this image, which is basically your screenshot. And you also have another option which shows you that you can take a screenshot with 3-finger swipe, so like this. Yes, there we go. Okay, and as you can see, it does the same thing. So whatever feels more comfortable to you, you can use both of them. Then image that you have captured can be found in your photo gallery. So let me just skip this, and you can see both of them are right here. And I believe they can also be found in the album called Screenshots. So there we go. So that is how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.